EKEGAMBERO ekenene ase kaunti ya Kisii kubwatirana na wabisa buborendi hamo n'ababwatani ao NIGO mu basolero basamba Enyasore gwetania chikilo chimisano na ibere eyo isaine chimilioni 13 nabwo sukari etaikiraneti ekerengo isaine chiribu chimi isano na ibere eyo yabeira ase EKEGAMBERO ya Kisii kurasa omwaka bw'echirubere 2013 buna gotumanya murikito Frida Kerwa.
EKEGAMBERO gya Kisii kubwatirana nabo bisa n'abanyanyimbo amo n'ababwatani ao NIGO mu basolero basamba Enyasore gwetania chikiro chimisano na ibere eisaine chimilioni 13 nabo igo esukari etari eng'ikirano eisaine chiribu chimisano na ibere eyabeire ase EKEGAMBERO gya Kisii kuri omwaka bw'echiribu 2013. Ogukwana ekerekyo munachebina bw'EKEGAMBERO gya Kisii Mildedobura oyoeneke buna Enyasore amone sukari eyo nigo yabeire ase EKEGAMBERO ekyo ase gikaka emyaka 5 goikabono iga nabo igo ekerenga gyokubisamba na gwesiria ebiasara by'amagendo ebyo birabeke amagima y'abantu asa kong'um.
Over 700 kgs of bang. The value is over 18 million. Over 18 million, yes. So those are the exhibits that we have taken from our courts. And some of them were being stored at the offices of our various stakeholders. Impounding illegal sugar, is not released back into the society, and also to deal with the issue of space within our courtrooms and within the institutions that have been holding them for a very long while. Some of these exhibits have been within our premises for a very long time, since 2018.
Nere asense moyaye omonene bw'abanyanyimbo emi kaunti ya Kisii Ronald Kirui nigo abuliri abananchi wecha kubwatirana aso gukora omuchando yo bw'amaliogo yogotindia ase binyoro.
So this exercise that was supervised and authorized by the court bring an end to the chain of custody of exhibits, and that gives us public confidence that wherever we confiscate this harmful substance from the community, it ends to court, and the court authorizes its destructions, bringing it to an end. So we want to ask the members of the public that are out there that these issues of drugs, we must all confront together. We must all ensure that we live in society that is free from drugs.
Dr. Marita Oimeke n'omuteneneri w'enyagitari ya Kisii and Teaching Referral oyoeneke buna abaroira bange abo bale ase ward elia y'abantu bale n'omuchando bw'obongo abange babo n'abasaye abo bagotwara emechando buneyo kubwatikana n'obutumiki bw'amaliogo yogotindia.
When we see such quantities being brought here for destruction, it's evidence that we need to work collaboratively together to end the menace out here. Otherwise, it's really destroying our young people, who most of them, once they get the mental health complications, it's very costly to treat them. It takes them long. Some of them have to quit jobs, and therefore, if we were to sit down and calculate the cost implication to our health and our society is so huge.
Frida, Ensoko TV.